In this video, I will be showing you what a typical apartment in Canada looks like. This is a furnished apartment, which means it has like a TV, bed. So if you've been following me for a while, you would realize that I've been doing videos showing you me moving out of my apartment and just letting you know that I'm moving to another province. Now in this video, what I'll be showing you is what my apartment looks like after it has been emptied. Now this is the apartment I've been living in for the past almost 2 years now. I've been living in this apartment and now I am moving. Come along and let me show you what the apartment looks like. So this apartment is a 1-bedroom apartment, and where I am right now is actually the living room / dining room and then / the kitchen. So it is an all-in-one in this area, and then the bedroom is separate. So let me just show you what the living room looks like. So this is the living area, and then you have the dining area. It's just right here conveniently. And then over here we have the kitchen. Now for the kitchen we have a stove, it has the oven, and then we have this that is very important, and we can turn the lights off. And then here is the cupboards that I have. They are very big and spacious. Like, look at these cupboards. They are very big, spacious, and deep. So that's something you always want to look for, so that you can buy more than one item and not run out of cupboard storage space. So this is what it looks like. In this apartment you also have a microwave. This is freshly cleaned microwave, so it looks brand new actually, but I've had it for almost 2 years now. Let us now go into the bedroom. I should have mentioned that we have to pass the bathroom, which is right here. So it's actually in front of the kitchen, but it haven't been an issue. So let's just show you the bathroom since it's right here. And this is what the bathroom looks like. Now there is a door on the bathroom, and there's also a door on the bedroom, which is nice to have a door. Like, there are some bedrooms that doesn't have door, but it is nice to have a door on the bedroom. So this is the bedroom. So there's a bed in here. There's a bedside table, which is not really regular to have a bedside table in here, but there's one in here. And then you have a lamp in here, and this curtain came with the apartment, and then the AC unit is right here. So I had to move the curtains when I was living in here so that I could get the AC there. And it is actually removed during the winter times, but for now, during the summertime, and now that it's fall, it stays there. And then these two, this is a dresser, and then the chest of drawers right there. And then the closet was very small. You can take a look at the closet. So what I had to do with the closet is actually to get a portable closet, and I placed it over in this corner. I had a portable closet right in this area. But of course, because it's portable, I'm going to be taking it with me. The separate bedroom and a separate living room versus the studio apartments where everything is just in one spot. So that's why I like this structure of apartment. This is actually called a 3.5. You have 4.5, which is a 2-bedroom, 3.5, which is a 1-bedroom, and a 2.5, which is a studio. That's just something good to know. If you see 2.5, 3.5, that's what it means. So that is the end of this apartment tour. I hope you found it helpful during your apartment search, or if you're just curious what apartments looks like in Canada. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!